This is the T-Mobile G2 by HTC, and in this video we're going to show you how to take apart this phone safely so you can make various repairs. First, remove the back cover from the phone and also the battery. Also remove the SIM card and memory card if you haven't already done so. Then, using a T5 Torx screwdriver available at repairsuniverse.com, remove the 3 screws as being shown here now in the video. Next, using a safe open pry tool, run it along the sides of the phone, releasing the clips. Once the clips have been released, you'll be able to remove the backing from the rest of the phone. With the backing removed, you will now have access to the motherboard. You will need to remove all the small Phillips screws as being pointed out here now in the video. Using a safe open pry tool, open both these jaw lock connectors and then release the flex cables as being shown here in the video. Next, ease the motherboard away from the rest of the phone, allowing you to access the flex cable underneath. This is a pop connector and can be released using a safe open pry tool as being shown here now in the video. Once the ribbon cable is released, you can remove the motherboard from the rest of the phone by just peeling back the sticker. This can easily be reattached later on. Next, you need to free the mid-frame from the slide assembly as being shown here now in the video. Next, remove the small Phillips screws as being pointed out here now in the video. Next, move the slide assembly to one side and then using a sharp blade, lift up the plastic covering to reveal the screws. This can be easily put back later on when reassembling the phone. Remove the screws being shown here using a small Phillips screwdriver. Now the screws are removed, use a safe pry tool to release this small section from the rest of the phone. Next, still using the safe pry tool, release the ribbon cables as being pointed out here now in the video. This one is the digitizer ribbon, which is a pop connector. The LCD ribbon is also a pop connector, and the trackball ribbon is a jaw connector. So you will need to lift the jaw first and then release the ribbon cable. Next, release one more small Phillips screw. With the screw removed, you can lift off the backing from the front of the phone. Using a safe pry tool, lift out the LCD screen from the bottom. You can now replace the LCD screen to repair your phone.